In this video, I will show you how you can fix if Siri is not working on your iPad. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the control center, then go to the connection section. And from here, just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet. After you connect your iPad either to the Wi-Fi network or to the cellular data, then just tap on the airplane mode and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, then tap on the airplane mode again and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPad. After you do that, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Siri. If your iPad supports Apple Intelligence, it might say Apple Intelligence and Siri, but if your iPad does not support Apple Intelligence, it will just say Siri. After you do that, then just tap on Talk to Siri. Now, if Talk to Siri is disabled, just enable it from here. And if it is already enabled, just select Off. And after that, just select Siri or Hey Siri to activate it. Now just tap on Continue and complete the setup process. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done, and after you do that, then just enable the toggle for press the power button to enable Siri. If you want to use Siri by pressing and holding the side button, just enable this toggle. Now after you do that, then just go back, and under the Siri settings, just tap on Siri responses. Now if you have noticed that the voice of Siri is not working on your iPad, just select Prefer Spoken Responses, and by doing that, Siri will respond using her voice instead of replying through text. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings, but this time just scroll down and tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled on your iPad, then just tap on Intelligence and Siri. Now, to do any changes in this section, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPad. After you get the password of the parental controls, now just make sure that all the options for Intelligence and Siri are enabled. Make sure that image creation, writing tools, intelligence extensions, and all the other Siri options are allowed. After you've done that, then just go back and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now just enter the PIN of the parental control settings. And after you do that, you will turn off all the parental control settings on your iPad. Then finally, in the main settings page, just tap on General, and from here just select Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.